Hello students, yesterday you saw that how Nelson Mandela actually sat on a donkey's back, and donkey's back actually took him to a thorny bush where he actually tried to unseat him. Unseat him means to make him fall from its back, अपने पीठ पर से गिराने की कोशिश की, but and ultimately did so also. He made him fall. The donkey actually unseated him from its back, but before that there were so Nelson Mandela's face was so much pricked and scratched by the thorns in that thorny bush. Actually pricked means pierced, and scratch you already know what the scratch is. जब आपके किसी स्किन पे और चेहरे पे कोई चीज चुभ जाता है, that is actually known as pricking. So many thorns actually pricked on his face, and his face was scratched by all those thorns in that thorny bush. And then his face was embarrassing me in front of my friends. And Nelson Mandela is actually telling you that when his face was actually pricked and scratched by the thorns, he was embarrassed in front of his friends. And the word embarrassed means insulted. Like the people of the East, Africans have a highly developed sense of dignity. Dignity means here, student, honor. Everyone has a great self-respect or honor about themselves. Africans have also a very highly developed sense of dignity, or what the Chinese call face. And this sense of dignity is actually by Chinese people, it is called as their face value should never be compromised with. I have lost face among my friends. So when he is saying that he has lost face among his friends, that it means he has lost his dignity among his friends. That's what he is saying. Even though it was a donkey that unseated me, I learned that to humiliate another person is to make him suffer an unnecessarily cruel fate. So now Nelson Mandela has learned here a very important lesson. No matter who has humiliated you, the word again humiliation is the synonym of the word embarrassing. The word embarrassing, humiliation and insulting, these three words are actually considered as synonym of one another. So actually, no matter who has insulted you, but to humiliate someone or to insult someone or to embarrass someone is actually a very cruel thing with someone to do. And that is what Nelson Mandela has learned with this incident, and this will help him in future of becoming becoming a noble person. Because to be a noble person, to be a gentle person, you must understand these feelings, how you feel when you have been embarrassed, how actually you feel when you have been insulted, when you have been declared as loser. All those sort of you should have experience. Only then a person can become noble, gentle, or to its contrary also. But in all sort of situation, you need to have the experience of those things. And that is why he is further saying that even as a war, I defeated my opponents without dishonoring them. So no matter he from this incident he learned that we should not insult or humiliate anyone. So from then on he defeated, but he did not dishonored anyone. The word dishonored here actually refers the word humiliate. So if you are competing with someone, you can defeat him, her, but we should not dishonor, we should not humiliate a defeated person. That's what we are learning from this.